What if I told you these 20 affordable gadgets could make your everyday life easier? Some are surprisingly clever, some are incredibly useful, and one of them is so satisfying you'll want it immediately. Stay until the end. You won't want to miss the final gadget. This is specially designed to support and secure potted plants and bonsai. It's made of soft-coated iron, making it sturdy, durable, and rust-resistant. Simply insert one support on each side of the flower pot, lock it into place, and your plants will stand upright without leaning or falling over. It's suitable for all kinds of indoor plants, and it's very affordable. This is something both men and women will love. Made from solid wood, it's hard, smooth, and beautifully finished with a premium feel. Whenever you're feeling stressed, just hold and rotate it in your hands. It helps relieve stress, exercises your finger joints, and becomes shinier and smoother the more you use it. It's incredibly relaxing. Every household can use this. It's made of iron with a baked paint finish, making it durable and rust-resistant. Use it to cover leftover food or fruit. The fine mesh keeps food ventilated while protecting it from insects and flies. Anyone who cooks at home should keep a few of these, and they're very inexpensive. If you often feel stressed or irritated, try this high-quality portable karaoke speaker. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth or plays music from a memory card. It delivers loud, clear sound and comes preloaded with over 100 relaxing songs that play on a loop, making it perfect for stress relief. If your phone's speaker is too quiet or the sound quality is poor, try this colorful Bluetooth speaker. It delivers powerful bass and excellent sound quality, supports memory cards, fits in your pocket, and magnetically attaches to your phone. Take your music wherever you go. If you like shaving your head, check out this 2-in-1 electric shaver. It features dual floating blades that closely follow the contours of your skin and offers 2 adjustable speed settings. It provides a clean shave, and by extending the built-in trimmer, you can shave your head or trim body hair. The sharp blades don't pull hair, and the battery lasts up to 120 minutes on a full charge. Every home needs these all-metal hooks. They're rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and feature a self-locking spring clip that won't fall off even in strong winds. Use them in the bathroom for towels or bath sponges, or in the kitchen for pans, brushes, spatulas, or cutting boards. They're affordable, too. Every household can use this. Made from thick 316 stainless steel, it's perfect for steaming fish, eggs, or using as a heat-resistant trivet. It's waterproof, rust-proof, and durable enough to last for many years. This is a classic aluminum kettle from the 1960s and 1970s. It's sturdy, durable, and has a large capacity for daily drinking needs. It seals tightly, so it won't leak even when shaken. It's ideal for farm work, hiking, or traveling, and carries a nostalgic charm. This premium ashtray is something every man would love. Made entirely of metal, it features an elegant dragon head and turtle body embossed design. Simply open the lid while smoking to keep ash from blowing away, then close it to block odors and wind. It's also a beautiful decorative piece with symbolic meaning. If you're forgetful and often lose track of time, try this mechanical timer. It requires no electricity or batteries. Set it for 30 minutes while cooking, and it will ring loudly when time is up. It's also great for managing children's study or TV time, and conveniently sticks to the refrigerator with its magnetic back. Make housework easier with this rolling stool. The high-density foam cushion is comfortable, and the galvanized carbon steel frame is built to last for years. Use it while changing shoes, doing laundry, or cleaning to reduce back and leg strain. It's waterproof and very affordable. Every home can use this vintage-style solar camping lantern. It charges automatically in sunlight or can be recharged with a cable. It's bright, has 3 adjustable brightness levels, is waterproof, and works perfectly for camping, outdoor lighting, or power outages. Couples should check out this star projector lamp. Just plug it into a USB port to create a beautiful nighttime atmosphere. The farther it projects, the larger and more impressive the display becomes. It includes multiple interchangeable patterns and works at home or in the car for a romantic ambiance. With this portable rechargeable shower pump, you'll never worry about finding a place to shower while working outdoors. No external power source is needed. Simply switch it on, place it in water, and enjoy a strong water flow. It's ideal for home use, camping, construction sites, or dormitories, anywhere there's water. Use this stylish insulated travel mug for drinking water or tea. It features a built-in filter to separate tea leaves, a corrosion-resistant inner liner, a 560 ml capacity, excellent insulation for hot and cold drinks, drinks, and a leak-proof design. It's well made and reasonably priced. If you spend most of your time at home, check out this premium quartz wall clock. It keeps accurate time silently and displays indoor temperature, the Gregorian date, the lunar calendar, and the day of the week. One AA battery powers it for several months, and the glow-in-the-dark display is easy to read at night. Crush garlic and chili peppers with this large ceramic mortar and pestle. It measures 15 centimeters in diameter and is fired at high temperatures for strength and a smooth finish. The textured interior prevents slipping, while the solid wooden pestle helps preserve the natural flavor and nutrients of ingredients. It's easy to clean and inexpensive. Carry your water bottle, umbrella, and everyday essentials in this convenient bag. It has a large capacity, an outer phone pocket, secure zippers, and can be carried by hand or worn over the shoulder. It's waterproof, lightweight, stylish, and affordable. If you often walk at night, check out this ultra-bright long-range flashlight. It illuminates up to 500 meters, offers multiple lighting modes including floodlight, combined near and far beam, and SOS flashing. It supports both USB and solar charging, and even has a hand crank generator for emergencies. The built-in high-capacity lithium battery provides power throughout the night.